Gas ranges offer raw power, but they are notoriously erratic.
Most pans aren't designed to handle the localized intensity of a high BTU flame.
At Wade Media Labs, we decided to audit 12 gas-optimized pans to see how they manage the thermal spike, the rapid, uneven temperature rise that ruins a consistent sear.
We used high-resolution infrared sensors to monitor BTU saturation.
We were looking for thermal uniformity, how effectively the pan's metallurgy distributes heat from the center to the perimeter. The results were revealing. Many luxury pans suffered from a severe thermal spike, creating a donut of high heat that causes oil to smoke while the center of the pan remains cold. Effective gas cooking requires a specific base thickness to act as a thermal buffer. If the cladding is too thin, the pan cannot absorb the energy fast enough, leading to hot spots and warping. One $45 skillet emerged as a metallurgical masterpiece. Its high-density core and optimized base geometry provided a 30% more stable thermal curve than pans costing 4 times as much. You don't need a designer label to master a gas range, you need the right thermal mass. In the workshop of the kitchen, engineering is the only luxury that matters.
See the full thermal stability logs, the BTU maps, and our $45 champion at cookwarescout.com.
Look for the gas-optimized audit.